Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning, children. Okay, how are you today? Good? Okay. Are you guys ready to study today? Okay. Um, Before starting learning, we are pray according to our respective religions and believers. Starting playing. Okay, Oh yeah, guys. Are you enthusiastic about learning? Okay, good. I have a question for you. Um, what is the sound? Why is no sound? Yeah. Okay. Um, do the children hear the teacher's voice? My voice? Do you learn my voice? Okay. What is an eardrum? Yeah. Okay, guys. Today we will learn to hear because of sound. Yeah. Okay. Right now, Mom will to explain what is the hear because of sound. Okay. Wait, guys. How can we hear sound? Yeah. Human need hearing organs in the form of ears to be able to listen the sound wave. A function of the ear in humans are to listen to sound and maintain balance. Listening to sound. The ear function to listen and recognize sound, a sound that can be heard by humans, are 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. If humans listen to sound over 200,000, yeah, the eardrum will rupture and result in being a hearing device, I think. Um, so you can mention balance. In this case, the balance in present is that the information received by the ear can be conveyed to the brain in a balanced manner. As with this balance function, change in sound speed can be handled properly. Part of the ear. We have there is part in on ear. This one in outer ear, second, middle ear, and inner ear. Outer ear. The outer part of the ear plays a role in receiving sound vibration. It consists of the auricle and the ear canal. The auricle plays a role in receiving and responding to sound in the environment. The ear canal has a function to convey sound vibration to reach the tympanic membrane. Yeah. In the middle ear, the small area in the middle, look at the picture, of the ear contains air and is equipped with is air station 2. Its function is to channel sound vibration from the outer ear to the inner ear. The sound vibration connect with the pharyngeal receptors in the ear. In addition, the middle part of the ear has three auditory bones, namely the malleus, incus, and stapes. The malleus and incus move together as a unit because they are connected by ligament. Okay, inner ear. The inside of the ear is a part in which there are many organs that can help the working of the ear. The inner ear is composed of a bone labyrinth and a membranous labyrinth. The membranous labyrinth has five main parts: the semicolor canals, the utriculus, the succulus, the calcula, and the ampulla together. I think have song on YouTube. This tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. But the lyric, um, there can be follow mom to sing together, guys. Okay, let's go. Vibration in the air, may transform me into a breathe. I am Rombel, come alive in this world Here's amazing, let's give a cheer. Hearing the words so bright and clear. Okay, yeah, so good. Okay, Mom has a 1 million call of a media from you guys. Are you prepared to glass and balloon? Yeah, glass is on a plastic glass. Okay, first, um, you guys cut on balloon to pot. Okay, wait. Okay, yeah, the pot. Yeah. Right now, um, close the plastic glass with balloon. I think can have it like that. Yeah. Um. Okay. Wait. Like that. You can. Nah. You can hear the sound. You pitch. Yeah. That sound. That sound with hair. Okay. That sound cool. Yeah. Okay. Right now, mom have a story because of sound. Are you guys to hear my story? Okay. The character is Echo the elephant, Professor Hood the owl. Echo, playing your emotion. Monterey, what makes the vine sound so beautiful? Professor Hood, piercing other friends? Ah, Echo, that's a great reason. The vine creates sound through vibration. Echo, vibration? What do you mean? Professor Hood, when the wind blows, it makes the leaf and trees shake. These shakes create sound waves that travel through the air. Echo. So how do I hear those sound? Professor Hood. Your big ears catch the sound wave. They travel into your ear and make your eardrum vibrate. Echo. Then what happens? Professor Hood, the vibration moves the tiny bones in your ear and then to the cochlea, which sends signal to your brain. Your brain tells you what you're hearing. Echo. Wow, so unlike message from nature? Professor Hood, exactly. Now go listen to the world around you. And with that, Echo happily explored the sound of the forest, understanding the magic behind its whisper of the wine, so that you don't get bored. Let's play game, guys. In this game, you can catch find find words. Yeah, I will search first. Okay, right then. Okay, um, so Oanemukifrs. I think it's infrasonic. Yeah. Okay. Is O M A. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Next. Why did I think that's ultrasonic, guys. Okay, let's get. Oh, yeah. Here A S O M E. Oh, perfect. Think this. I think cochlea. Wow, it's sound. I think. Oh my God. Yeah, we are perfect. Games complete. Okay, are you happy, guys? Are you know what the learning we are? Yeah. At this point, you already understand about her because of sound. Are you have something to ask with mom? Okay, no. Yeah. Okay. If there are any that means everyone understand, mom will disturb the student worksheet and work on them in class. Okay. Those that have finished their work can come forward to present the results. Okay, guys. Um, wait. Okay. Um, we'll just understand with material so we can convey the conclusion of the matter this time. Nothing. Okay. Mom Kelly. Um, learning here this song. We are having what is um outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Yeah, that's three parts. Can you guys learning again on home and at school with friends? I think yes. You do the quiz that I give you individually. Okay. Do so things first will go home sooner. Okay, children, the next lesson is about very soon. Don't forget to study before we meet, okay? Yeah, before ending our lesson, we pray according to our respective religious and belief videos. Okay, Thank you for today. Are you happy for the learning that, yeah, I think you are happy? Okay, thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye, guys.